Alright, so have you recently purchased a drone and you're wondering if you really need to buy a set of ND filters? Well, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're going to test the ND filter set for the DJI Flip. This is going to be a quick video. But I also have a quick speed and image quality comparison between the DJI Neo and DJI Flip for you as part of my upcoming full review of the DJI Flip. With that said, let's get into it. So right here we have the ND filter set for the DJI Flip. Inside the box we have a nice carrying case that houses the 3 ND filters. We have an ND16, ND64, and ND256. These are clip-on filters, and while it's not magnetic, it's relatively easy to install and remove. You just have to squeeze both sides, place it in place, and release. Now before we answer our main question, here's how these 3 ND filters look on a bright sunny day. In my honest opinion, for a traditional video camera like a mirrorless camera or a DSLR, an ND filter is a must when shooting outdoors or in extremely bright environments to achieve the so-called 180-degree shutter speed rule for a natural-looking motion blur and more cinematic footage. To achieve this in a very straightforward manner, you just have to set your shutter speed to be double your frame rate. So in this example, I'm shooting at 30 FPS. I need to set my shutter speed to 1/60, and that's absolutely impossible without using a filter on a bright sunny day like this. Without a filter and in auto mode, as you can tell, the shutter speed is automatically set to 1/4000, which means the shutter speed is extremely fast, making everything in the frame sharp. That's a big no-no when it comes to traditional video cameras like mirrorless or DSLR. But when it comes to drones, in my honest opinion and based on the side-by-side examples, I think it's not completely necessary, and for most users, especially beginners and casual creators, auto mode will work out just fine. The reason for this is the fact that drone footage is very wide with subjects very far from the camera, making motion blur not that noticeable compared to a traditional camera. However, you might still find ND filters useful in some cases where auto mode is not enough to keep your exposure from getting overexposed. And if you're one of those people, like me, who want the best image quality possible, an ND filter will help you achieve less jittery and smoother cinematic looking footage. Also, having a controlled exposure can also help with better colors and contrast. Now, based on my experience with the DJI Flip ND filter set, the ND64 is usually enough for most bright sunny days, and it's pretty much stuck on my DJI Flip unless I plan on shooting sunrise or sunset. Now, like I said, I'm currently working on my full review of the DJI Flip, so make sure to subscribe if you're interested in that. And as a quick preview, here's a quick speed test between the DJI Neo and the DJI Flip. As you can tell, the DJI Flip is roughly twice as fast to reach 40 meters compared to the DJI Neo. And in terms of image quality, looking at them side by side, the DJI Flip looks significantly better in terms of resolution and looks natural in terms of colors and sharpness. More details on the full review coming out soon. And there you have it guys. Like I said, this is just a simple video just to share my thoughts about the importance of ND filters when it comes to drones. I'll put some links below if you're interested. Right now, it's not yet available here in the Philippines, but I'll make sure to update the description once it becomes available. While waiting, you can watch my review of the DJI Neo by clicking this. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you appreciate this video, and see you next time. Have a great day guys, you're awesome.